Hey guys, Isaac with Team 4Runner, and today I'm going to show you my 5 favorite features on the all-new 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. All right, first things first, let's talk about the all-new chassis and frame for Toyota. All the trucks are similar frame, almost the same, but a little different dimensions, things like that. It's the TNGAF platform, brand new, designed specifically for this truck to be more off-road capable, more rigid, stronger frame, completely boxed in. And there's just a ton of information packed in to the new design of this frame. And with that, the rear end is completely revamped. It's a coil sprung rear end, so no more leaf springs for the TRD off-road. You can still get a leaf spring package for a lower grade, but for TRD off-road, coil sprung, which means more flex, more capability, more travel, better off-road performance. So let's jump into number 2. All right, so this is a big one for Tacoma fans and Toyota fans in general. 3rd gen Tacoma came with drum brakes, I know, it's crazy. 4th gen Tacoma TRD off-road, this one specifically, disc brakes, and this features an 18-inch wheel. All right, number 3, let's talk about just the rear end as a whole. I know I'm grouping a few things in here, but power tailgate, so up and down, and there's a button right here to make it even more accessible. High lift jack points, so really nice recovery points that we just haven't really seen on Tacoma and really Toyota in general. So Toyota's making it very accessible for you to slap a high lift on there, even another jack. You know, that mounting point is right there, nice and easy, super cool Toyota's doing that. And then last thing on the rear end is the trail camera system. So you have 360 cameras here, backup camera here, and ultimately it gives you a nice kind of view of the trail while you're off-roading. I think that's pretty neat. All right, number 4 has got to be the aggressive front end. So unlike TRD Pro and Trail Hunter, you do not have that cutout, but you still have that unbelievable aggressive front styling, which I love. A few of these features include the all-new front fog lights, Toyota Safety Sense, and these unique aggressive front fender flares. All right, 5th and final, last but not least, we got to talk about the motor. I know it's a bit controversial, we're ditching that V6, but this has a 4-cylinder turbo with a hybrid option. If you get the hybrid, you have 326 horse and 465 pound-feet of torque. Needless to say, fun truck to drive, and it's all coupled by an 8-speed automatic transmission, which is huge for us Tacoma guys. You can still get a 6-speed manual too, even in a TRD off-road. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.